Breaking news!
Imbes ipagpunyi, protesta ang isasalubong sa pagpirma ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa 2025 National Budget ngayong araw, Disyembre 30.
Instead of celebrating the signing of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. for the 2025 national budget today, December 30, it was welcomed with protests.
Nabatid sa militanteng grupo ng kaalyado ng mga bayan lang sa Kamara na susugod ang mga ito sa Malacanang para iprotesta ang 6.352 trillion pesos national budget na tinaguri ang pinakakurap sa kasaysayan ng bansa.
The militant group, linked with the Makabayan Bloc in Kamara, has been informed that it will march to Malacanang to protest the 6.352 trillion pesos national budget, which has been termed the most corrupt in the country's history.
Unang itinakda ang ceremonial signing sa pambansang pondo noong Disyembre 20. Subalit, inatras ito matapos palawan ng taong bayan ang pagkaltas ng 10 bilyong piso sa budget ng Department of Education o DepEd.
The ceremonial signing of the national budget was initially scheduled for December 20, but it was postponed after the public protested the 10 billion pesos cut from the budget of the Department of Education or DepEd.
Hindi matanggap ng lahat na habang inalisan ng pondo, ang sektor ng edukasyon ay pinaloko ang pondo ng Department of Public Works and Highways o DPWH.
Not everyone can accept that while the education sector was deprived of funding, the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH budget was increased.
Lalong nagalit ang mamamayan na hindi bigyan ng subsidiya ng Philippine Health Insurance Corporation o PhilHealth.
The citizens became even angrier when they were not given subsidies by the Philippine Health Insurance Corp or PhilHealth.
Labanan ang mga kaltas sa serbisyo, tutulan ang pinalaking pork barrel at pondo para sa korupsyon, ayon pa sa grupo.
Fight against service cuts, oppose the increased pork barrel, and funds for corruption, the group added.
Matatandaang sa isang panayam ay tinawag ni ex-Philippine Finance Official Shelo Magno na pinakakurap sa kasaysayan ng pagpupondo sa bansa ang 2025 budget dahil sa mga kinaltas at sinilin dito.
It will be recalled that in an interview, former Philippine Finance Official Shelo Magno called the 2025 budget the most corrupt in the history of the country's funding due to the cuts and insertions made.
Ako po si Janeline Alcazar, nag-uulat.
I'm Maria Cristina Villaruel reporting.